everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 12 renter-friendly decorating hacks to totally transform and customize your rental space. I know a lot of rentals can feel really cold and bare and lack a lot of personality, and sometimes you're just scared to customize them because you don't want to ruin it, you want to keep your deposit, all of that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of different decorating tricks that you can do around your rental space that are reversible, removable, affordable, and really easy to do. A few months ago I actually filmed a video all about peel and stick products that you can use in your rental space, and that video is so helpful. A lot of you guys loved that. I shared really great products that you can use around your entire rental unit to totally transform it. So I'll leave that link down below as well. But if you enjoy watching today's video and find it helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more home improvement videos. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so one of the first changes to consider doing in your rental space is changing up the hardware. This is super simple, really easy to do, and it will make such a huge difference to your kitchen, your bathroom, and built-ins that you have around your space. You can get new hardware like this from pretty much anywhere. I got these off of Amazon, and they came in this huge bundle of I think like 12. So this always comes with the screws that you need, different sizes. You barely need any tools to do this. You pretty much just need a screwdriver and that's it. Anyone can do it. When you're making a change like this, always make sure to keep your existing hardware. These original pulls are from a bathroom vanity that I transformed, and I like to keep these in the bathroom. So just in case I need them again, I know exactly where they are. They stay in the room that I transformed, and when you leave your rental, you can easily put them back on. So you can clearly see the difference here. Something a little bit more dated versus something more modern really would make a huge difference in a rental, especially in a kitchen or a bathroom. A lot of rental units have the old dated hardware, and it's such an easy change just to switch up. All you have to do is measure between one hole to the other and make sure that your new one matches up perfectly and they're the same size. You can obviously do something like this and totally switch up the style, or if you like this look, you can also find a similar one in a different metal finish. So you could get this in silver, in black, in gold to really match with your aesthetic. It's easy, it's affordable, it's removable, and as long as you keep the original ones, you can put them on when it's time to go. Another thing to consider doing in your rental space to really make it feel homey and cozy, add some privacy, and make it feel less like a rental is use tension rod curtains. Tension rods are amazing and they don't leave any damage behind. You can add cafe curtains, Roman shades, you can cover up ugly areas of your home using tension rods and adding a nice curtain to it. It doesn't require you to drill any holes in your walls or anything like that to hang up a curtain. Tension rods are very versatile. They come in different colors, and even if you can't find the color that you want, you can spray paint them really easily. They're adjustable in their size, so you can go as wide or as small as you want and pretty much fit them anywhere. They're really great for hanging up sheer curtains, anything that's really lightweight to add a nice whimsical, light, diffused look in your space. So if you've been living in a rental space and have always wanted some curtains, some Roman blinds, some cafe curtains, definitely consider using a tension rod because it will make your curtain dreams come true and make it so possible in a rental space. Now, if you're somebody that really loves the open concept, open shelving look of kitchens, bathrooms, any type of cabinetry, you can get a similar look in your rental space by simply removing the cabinet doors from your kitchen or your bathroom. Now again, this is something that does not damage your space, but it really creates an entirely new look. This is also a great idea for anybody that feels like their rental kitchen is really tiny. Taking off the cabinet doors really expands the space because you can see right to the wall, it brightens everything up, it opens the space up. But you just have to be careful with keeping your cabinets clean looking. You can do this in a smaller way by just removing 2 cabinet doors, and you can kind of create a nice little open concept display unit area to really show dishes that you love or decor pieces. That's an easy way of doing it. Or you can go all out and remove all the upper cabinets and create an open shelving kitchen look. I would say this is a perfect option for people that are really orderly and have matching dishes, really want to make it look decorative. But if you have a bunch of of cabinets that are completely filled and have mixed-matched things inside, your kitchen can look really cluttered if you remove those doors. If you're gonna do this, make sure you label all of your cabinet doors, make sure you keep all the hardware so when you leave or when you move out, you can install the doors back on and no one will know that anything has ever changed. Now on to some wall treatments. Something that every single renter should know about is peel and stick removable wallpaper and decals. Peel and stick wallpaper is simple, removable, and there's so many different styles to choose from. You can use peel and stick wallpaper as accent walls, in little nooks in your spaces, on an entire wall, on every wall, on half of your wall, on furniture, on stairs. You can use peel and stick wallpaper anywhere. So it is so easy, and I think it is the perfect solution for renters. I've also been seeing a ton of peel and stick decals, which are really cute as well. It requires less work, I would say, because you get little individual decals that you can kind of place in different patterns, create your own wallpaper look, or create a nice little setup around something that you really want to highlight. So if painting is not an option for you in your rental, don't miss out on peel and stick wallpaper. Trust me, it goes such a long way. You can find colors and styles that will totally match with your aesthetic, and it will completely customize your rental space. Alternative to peel and stick wallpaper and decals, you can use washi tape or electrical tape to create your own pattern. So if you want to create stripes on your walls, patterns, or little X's across the wall, you can create really trendy kind of Scandinavian patterns super easily using electrical tape or washi tape. Washi tape comes in different sizes, in different colors and patterns, so you can pretty much create your own wallpaper using tape. It's super affordable, it's removable, and totally renter friendly. All right, now on to renter friendly lighting fixtures. The thing about lighting fixtures is you can remove them and you can put them back on without damaging anything. So changing up the lighting in your rental space is an option. So if you're living with an ugly chandelier, something that's really ruining the style that you're going after, just consider changing it up. Just by switching up the lighting, adding new lighting, you can really transform your rental space from a dark, cold space to a welcoming and warm, inviting space. All right, now onto the outdoor space in your rental. Maybe you have a balcony, a patio, a rooftop, a backyard. This is something you can do to totally transform and customize the look of the space and make it look brand new. You can consider putting in temporary decking tiles, and these come in a wood finish or tile finish. These ones from IKEA are perfect. They're easy to install, kind of like a little puzzle piece. You just fit them together across your balcony space and you can have brand new flooring. I especially love the tile ones. I feel like that color and the pattern is beautiful and would totally add a ton of interest to your outdoor space. Let me know down below if you guys are living in a rental that has an outdoor space. Is it a patio, a balcony, a rooftop? That would be amazing. Now, a super simple thing you can do to transform your flooring indoors is simply putting down a rug. Rugs are perfect, don't underestimate them. You can put down runners, you can put down area rugs, floor mats, kitchen mats, anything. Pretty much hide your floor using rugs. I'm even a believer of putting rug on top of carpet, so if you have some ugly, not so great carpet in your rental, throw a rug over top of it and you're good to go. I think this is the best option to cover up any cold flooring. Maybe you have concrete floors, maybe some dated parquet flooring. Throw down a rug, add a rug pad underneath so it's comfortable and it's not moving around. It'll make your rental feel cozy, homey, and look super stylish. Now let's talk about tiles. I think every renter should know about peel and stick tiles. Peel and stick floor tiles, peel and stick backsplash tiles, tiles to put over fireplaces. There's so many amazing options out there to transform the look of your tiles. They're a great temporary solution, they're super affordable, and they're easy to install. You don't need to hire anybody, you can do everything yourself just by using scissors. The peel and stick tiles for backsplash is amazing because a ton of kitchens in rentals don't even have backsplashes, and if they do, it's probably not your style. So you can switch that up easily by ordering some peel and stick backsplash tiles. They fit together like puzzles and you can totally cover up your outdated tiles. I've used peel and stick floor tiles before and they have a thickness to them, so it's not just a sticker, but they also do have sticker kinds that just go straight over top of your tile and they can show the grout coming through, so they really do look pretty real. It's a super easy DIY project that you can easily do over a weekend and get a whole new look to your rental space. So peel and stick floor tiles can go right over existing floor tiles. You don't need to demo anything, and same thing goes for the peel and stick backsplash. If you're a renter and you haven't tried peel and stick tiles, I think you're missing out, and if you need to cover up some ugly tile, put these right over top and you will never look back. Another thing that's just in style now and totally just worked out for all the renters out there is just leaning your wall art up against the wall. So instead of hanging your wall art up, it's in style now to not hang it and just lean it up against the wall. This looks really nice on top of console tables, dressers, sometimes even the floor. This looks really nice when it's intentionally done, when it doesn't look like you just left something out, especially layering different frames together, different colors together, and making it look decorative is the way to go. So I recommend starting with a large piece of artwork, maybe layering in a medium size behind it and a small one in front, and you can kind of create a nice triangular pattern. This can also be done with large mirrors. So you don't have to hang your large mirror up on the wall and have it elevated. You can actually just push it up against the wall and have it leaning there on the floor or a dresser, but the large scale mirrors look perfect in this situation as well. Now, something you can do to add some functionality but also some style to your rental space is install some peel and stick floating hooks. To get the clutter off the floor, to organize a space, you can install some peel and stick hooks, and they are super strong and they will hold up what you need. They sell them in different finishes like black, silver, gold, wood finish, but if you want to kind of customize those, you can easily spray paint them and really get a look that matches with your space. I've also used suction cup hooks, which are really great for bathrooms or any kind of rental space that has full walls of tiles. That way it's damage free, it's affordable, and it's something you can install on your own. All right, and the last thing you can do to really decorate and customize your rental space is paint it. I've been in a few rentals where I was allowed to paint and I didn't even have to paint it back to white at the end. They actually came in and painted everyone's units when they left anyways to have like a nice fresh start. So it really depends on where you live, and it's worth asking the landlord. Some might actually appreciate it because you might be cleaning up the look of their space. If you're picking a nice neutral color, something brighter, something that's really going to be nice for a long time, they might appreciate that. If you're going to paint, maybe just try and keep the painting to a smaller area of your rental space. So maybe don't consider painting every single wall. Maybe you can actually just do one accent wall, one little nook, some smaller space that won't take so much effort if you have to paint back at the end. So it's worth having the conversation. I know it's possible. It's definitely doable in some situations. All you have to do is ask. So those are just some of my renter-friendly decorating tricks that you can try in your rental space. There is so many more things you can do, but I tried to narrow it down to things that I think would make such a big impact to your space and are easy to do. Let me know down below in the comments if you're a renter, if you live in a rental home, a rental apartment, let us know down below. Also, let me know down below what your favorite design trick was from this video. Which one would you consider doing for your rental space? If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming home improvement content. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!